Hello and welcome to Student Chambers. In this video tutorial, we'll be looking at part 4 of the 18th edition wiring regulations. And what we will be looking at is certain key highlights, which will be a good starting point for you to make sure that you understand and have made a note of. So if we look at page 74 of your regs book, this looks at basic provision. So regulation 416, provisions for basic protection. This is a key area for you to highlight. Regulation 416.2, barriers or enclosures. This is an exam favorite, so I must let you know that it would be a good idea if you were to highlight this section. Regulation 416.2.2, which is also on page 74. A horizontal top surface of a barrier or enclosure which is readily accessible shall provide a degree of protection of at least IPXXD or IP4X. Now again, this is an exam favorite, so make sure you have highlighted this section here. You also have the other parts on here, obstacles and placing out of reach, which is on page 75, regulation 417. So again, what you must remember is that you will have a good few questions contained in part 4, so please make sure you thoroughly navigate and learn this section. Thank you.